Meaning of high five.
High five.
High five.
High five.
High five. A high five is a celebratory gesture in which two people slap their hands together in the air. It is often used to express excitement or congratulations after achieving a goal or successfully completing a task. This gesture has become increasingly popular in sports and other competitive settings, where it is a way to acknowledge good performance. The high five is a simple yet effective way to show support and encouragement to others, as well as celebrate personal victories.